Hi, you're with Steve and Yeshi. We don't like using chemicals in our house and we wanted to make an air freshener, so we decided we would make our own from essential oils. These are inexpensive essential oils because we're not ingesting them, taking them into our body. We don't pay the added cost for organic oils. We like the scent of peppermint, and we also have tried lavender, eucalyptus. You can use whatever oil you particularly prefer. We mix it at a ratio of 50 drops to 1/2 cup of water for this particular size. We like this smaller spray bottle because it's easy for traveling, and that ratio does work for us. So we'll explain to you how we mix it.
Add your oil to the spray bottle using 1 cent or combining 2 if you prefer. You want 50 drops of oil. Then add water to fill the spray bottle, approximately 1/2 cup. Be sure to shake well before using each time because you are mixing oil and water.
That smells so good.